Hi. What are you reading these days? I'm reading a book about personal development and lifelong learning. Lifelong learning? That sounds interesting. It really is. Lifelong learning means continuously gaining knowledge and skills throughout your life. Why do you think it's important? Because the world is constantly changing. New technologies, ideas, and opportunities appear every day. That's true. If we stop learning, we can easily fall behind. Exactly. Learning helps us stay updated and adaptable. Do you think learning should stop after school or university? Not at all. Education doesn't end when we graduate. I agree. Some of the most valuable lessons come from real-life experiences. Absolutely. We can learn from books, courses, mentors, and even our mistakes. What benefits have you experienced from lifelong learning? I've become more confident and open-minded. How does learning increase confidence? When you gain new knowledge, you feel more capable of handling challenges. That makes sense. Learning also improves problem-solving skills. Can you give an example? Sure. When you learn different ways of thinking, you can find better solutions to problems. I never thought about it that way. Another benefit is career growth. Definitely. Employers value people who keep improving their skills. Exactly. Lifelong learners are often more competitive in the job market. Do you mostly learn through books? Books are great, but I also watch educational videos and take online courses. Online learning has become very popular. Yes, because it's flexible and accessible. What skill are you learning right now? I'm learning about communication and leadership. Those are valuable skills. What about you? I'm trying to improve my English and learn more about productivity. That's excellent. Language learning opens many opportunities. I enjoy learning because it keeps my mind active. That's another important benefit. You mean mental fitness? Exactly. Learning challenges the brain and improves memory. It's like exercise for the mind. That's a perfect comparison. Do you think curiosity plays a role in lifelong learning? Absolutely. Curious people naturally want to explore and discover new things. I think curiosity makes life more interesting. I couldn't agree more. What's the biggest obstacle to lifelong learning? Many people think they don't have enough time. That's true. But even 15 minutes a day can make a difference. Small daily efforts add up over time. Exactly. Consistency is more important than intensity. That's a great lesson. Lifelong learning is not about being perfect. It's about continuous improvement. Well said. How do you stay motivated to keep learning? I remind myself that every new skill can create new opportunities. That's a good mindset. I also choose topics that genuinely interest me. That probably makes learning more enjoyable. Absolutely. When you're interested in something, learning doesn't feel like a chore. Do you think learning can improve our personal lives too? Definitely. How so? Learning helps us communicate better, make smarter decisions, and understand different perspectives. That's very valuable. It also helps us become more confident in social and professional situations. I never realized learning had so many benefits. The benefits are endless. Do you have a favorite quote about learning? Yes. The more you learn, the more you earn. I like that one. Here's another. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. That's inspiring. It reminds us that learning is a lifelong journey. Exactly. If you could learn any new skill instantly, what would it be? I'd love to master multiple languages. That's a great choice. What about you? I'd like to become an expert public speaker. That would be an amazing skill. Communication is important in every area of life. I completely agree. What's your advice for someone who wants to start learning more? Start small and stay consistent. Can you explain? Read a few pages of a book, watch an educational video, or learn one new thing every day. That sounds achievable. The key is to make learning a habit, just like exercising or eating healthy. Exactly. Small daily actions lead to big results over time. I think that's true for almost everything in life. It certainly is. This conversation has motivated me to learn something new today. Me too. I'm going to spend some time reading after this. That's a great idea. Learning is one of the best investments we can make in ourselves. Absolutely. The journey of learning never ends, and that's what makes life exciting. I couldn't agree more. Thanks for the wonderful conversation. Thank you too. Keep learning and keep growing. I definitely will.